Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Quad Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of databases, and I'm going to show you how to install MySQL on your Windows machine in just a few simple steps. Click Download. Choose the version and download the MySQL installer. Once downloaded, double-click the installer file to launch it. Follow installation steps according to video. Now configure MySQL server. Choose the configuration type or add default. Create a root password. Set a strong password for the MySQL root user. Also, you can create a user and give me a role. So choose whether to start it at System Startup and set the service name. Default is fine. After configuring everything, click Execute to apply the configurations. If you've installed MySQL Workbench, you can launch it to start managing your databases. Then, enter the root password to ensure that MySQL is installed and running correctly. Add this command for Display All command. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Got questions or ran into issues? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.